needed a woman's pelvis because the pelvis holds the whole weight of the upper body. This work is about women laborers. I wanted to show the labor, the multiple burden of women. I'm Nikki Luna. I'm an artist, feminist, activist from Manila. I wanted someone who was a woman living the day-to-day struggles. We went to this public cemetery where they actually throw in sacks the skeletons that were in tombs but were not being paid for anymore. If you are buried in a public cemetery, you're a laborer, farmers, or factory workers. Aside from that job, they have a reproductive labor, which is having to care for the kids, care for the husband, have sex with the husband. And if you're a farmer and you live on the land of your landlord, you're expected to sweep if you're around because you're a woman. I mean, what kind of woman doesn't sweep the floor? I painted this, it's like a tattoo of lilies because lilies are a symbol of a woman. I made it seem like a tattoo because we aren't born with a tattoo. The same as expectations of being a woman. All these box definitions of a woman. That wasn't there. And it's not someone's fate all the time.